Hey guys, how's it going? Hopefully you guys enjoy watching me fish the Mon River as much as I am enjoying fishing the river. This wiper I caught, I consider it a bucket list fish. I've never caught one before, and to me it was pretty sizable. I've always watched videos and read about them and heard about them, and honestly, until last year, I didn't even really know that we had those. Hopefully you guys are prepared to see me scream and carry on like a little child because I was so surprised and excited. And maybe one day I'll be able to calm down enough to actually say something intelligent about these fish we're catching. But until then, here I am acting like a little kid. Hopefully you enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Crazy. What is this? This one's wound up. Oh, okay, there we go. What we got? I think some people call them like cigars, like a little walleye like that.
Yeah.
And every time I catch a little one, I hold it out like I'm like, yeah, I can see it. And then like wipers, like the hybrids, they're like angry, right? They're like pissed off, like super fighters.
It seems like you'll catch one and they want to go out in the fast way.
Really?
So like you catch one right here and he just digs his way out there and then he's in the white water and you're like really fighting him. Next thing you know, he's way down there. You're gonna get him at the end of the wall. I guarantee you, you'll catch one here. Catch a couple more months.
I would love to catch a wiper.
Like right now, wipers are probably down some in that white water.
That's nuts that a fish would want to stay in that.
Some,
Yeah.
but nothing crazy.
Like it's awesome just knowing like at any moment you could catch a monster. This is bigger. This is bigger. Yeah. Oh, it just came off. Shit. Oh, that's twice now I had a big fish on it came off.
Never happens on little ones.
Right, yo. Oh, oh that hurts. Oh, that was big.
Little one, this is probably a perch.
Yeah.
Small one. That's a big ass
That's
perch.
another big perch, dude. Holy crap. Is that even bigger? Dude, that's even bigger. That's like 15 inches or something. Oh, no way, dude.
Wow.
I think that is bigger than mine. We should measure that one too. Or maybe they just all look big now, but that thing is big. Like, hold it.
Oh, 13.
13. That's about the same size as mine then. I doubt.
Looks like he got 8 on his back fin, see that?
Oh yeah.
Something tried to get him.
That's crazy. Yeah, it's like it was in there. It had his whole tail. Another one came off. What am I doing? What am I doing? I gotta check something wrong. There you go. That looks bigger. Man, he is dark.
See, maybe it's a swimbait.
I was just gonna say that. I don't know. I mean, I hope.
Sorry, I'm sitting down.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea, actually. I can feel more of my foot tingling.
Yeah.
Oh, I might have missed one. There it is.
He's really silver on the sides.
Yeah. Hey, he's like gray. It's weird. All the walleye I caught on the Yacht are all green and black. I didn't feel that at all. Just started reeling up, no pressure. There we go. Our little guy. Oh, this is huge. Whatever this is, it is.
I bet it's a scraper.
Dude, this is massive. Oh my. Oh my god. This is like a carp. Like oh, it's coming at me a little bit. No. Dude, he's just sitting out there. I can't move him.
Just tire him out.
for like a split second after I set the hook, he come at me, so I had to jump up.
Yeah.
He's like right here somewhere.
Oh yeah,
my
that's a big
God.
wiper.
So that's a wiper, right?
Yep.
I've never caught one. That thing fought so hard.
I knew I'd get you in here catching it, but I thought it'd take another month.
This feels like a 15-pound carp. Oh my God. Oh my God. That carp, man, I can barely move him.
Uh-huh.
Oh man. I did just throw this right where it was still like white in the water. I'll try. Oh, there he goes. He don't even care. Oh. Oh. My rod's like bent in half. I'm just sitting there. Think he's done? I think he's about done. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. Oh, he ain't done yet, I guess. Nope, come back over. He's hooked pretty good, I think. Oh, yes. Yes. I'm coming down.
Look at the picture of this. Look what's in his mouth.
What's he got?
Can you see in there?
That's like a little perch. Wait, what is that? That perch or?
Those are called log perch.
Log perch. Huh, that's crazy. Let me see that guy, I gotta hold him. Oh my God, that thing is huge. Oh my God, I can't believe I brought that on an 8-pound line. Oh my God. 24. I gotta weigh this
What's your
guy.
scale?
There it is. It's almost 7 pounds, 6.9. That's awesome. Man, that fight was crazy. Oh, that thing is a beast. That thing is a monster, dude. First one I ever caught, almost 7 pounds. It was amazing. Crazy fight. I'm gonna put him back. I won't have him out too long. Oh, I think it's a, oh, he's ready to go already. You good? Out that way. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm wet. Oh, yes, that's great. I love it, dude. That's,
Heck yeah.
that was an amazing fight.
That was an average size one.
An average size. Dude, that thing is a giant.
Go get bigger than that.
Oh, yes. Oh, that was great. So amazing. This is like the best fishing of my life. Like at any moment, like could be like the greatest surprise of your life, you know?
Oh, you're out there now.
Yeah, I'm right back out there. Can't believe how small his mouth was though. It's like they're not even meant to be that big or something. Like I can't understand like a human being that doesn't love fishing. Yeah, for me that wiper is like a bucket list fish. Like I never caught one and I always seen videos of people catch them and they fight like crazy.
Yeah, you see, they do fight good.
Oh man, for 7-pound fish, that thing is nuts.
Like, they're so wide, they just get in that current sideways and they're pulling, it's all that width pulling against there and the current.
Like a bluegill, they just use their body. I never did it. Ooh, you're on the ball. Oh, they always get me when I'm not looking.